back with the F4i. We got a couple things to do. We're gonna do a coolant flush. We're gonna swap out these bent ass, janky ass bars. And I think that's it. Let's get this little coolant out. Bone dry, no bueno. So, because I don't want to remove this lower fairing, and because I don't really care about making a mess, so we're just gonna do that. That is just straight water. Interesting. We're gonna throw that back in. I don't run nothing fancy. A lot of these dudes be running engine ice and all this other bullshit, water wetter. I just run good old pre-stone. Fill this bag over the top. Go ahead and start your bike. Let that purge some air out. Go ahead and top it off. Ready to get those bubbles out. Wait for it to get up to 10. Okay, there we go. 98 degrees. At this point, you will want to start it up and let it get all the way up to temp, full temp to where the fan kicks on. If it's all good and it's not overheating, then you're chilling. If you're overheating, you're gonna have more air in the line. You need to purge it out. Next up on the list, go swap out these bent CR highs for some Renthal fat bars. Let's get all this shit off. All right, there we go. New bars are all on. Feel way better than the old ones. Money. Just gotta do the finishing touch. Boop. Hell yeah.